dear children. Today I'm going to focus on the revised syllabus of geography for the year 2021. So we are going to focus on the 4-grid reference of topographical map. Okay, so I'll be doing each subtopic for your topographical map. First, we'll start with the grid. So what is a grid? Okay, a grid reference helps in finding exact location of a place in a map through a set of lines called the eastings and the northings. Okay, this I have already explained you in the previous video also. Okay, so grid, it is the intersection, okay, the crossing of the two lines, that is the eastings and the northings. Now children, you all need to be very careful. Okay, you have to be careful to understand which line is eastings and which line is the northing. Okay, so now if you remember, then the grid is somewhat like this. So here you have long lines here. So these vertical lines are called as eastings. Okay, so this vertical line, okay, standing line. Then this line, your horizontal line, okay, or you can call it as your sleeping line, is called as the northings. Okay, so this, see, this one is called, this line called as eastings and this line is called as northings. Okay, so don't get confused. The one which runs towards your right hand side, that is your eastings, and the one which goes on top like a steps, this is your northings. Okay, so always remember, in a topo sheet, when we find a 4-figure grid, then we always take the eastings number first and after that the northings. Okay, so always remember, eastings first, then the northings comes the second. Now let's do this in the topographical map. Okay, so see children, this is your topographical map and you can see these lines, right? These red lines, okay? These are your grid, okay? So these lines, the one which runs vertical, they are your eastings, okay? Like 02, 03, 04, 05, these are your eastings line. And the line that goes 18, 19, 20, 21, these are your northings line. Okay, so now what type of question will you get, okay, in the topo map? That we will find out. Remember children, this year you only have to find 4-figure grid. 6-figure grid is omitted from your syllabus. Now see the question out here. Give the 4-figure grid reference of Dadariya. Okay, so you have to find the 4-figure grid of Dadariya. Now first you have to find where is Dadariya. Okay, so where is Dadariya? Here. Your Dadariya is here. Okay, now what did I tell you? First we have to find the easting, correct? Yes. Then we have to find the northing. Okay, so when you look Dadariya, Dadariya comes between 10 and 11 eastings, right? It is coming in between 10, 11. So what will we do? We will take the first number. We always take the first number. So what is our first number? That is your 10. Okay, then we have to see your northings. Now northings, which is your northings? Here, this is your northing. So the other area comes in between 20, 21. So which one will we take? We will take the first number, that is 20. So this is your answer. Your 4-figure grid of the other year is 10, 20, 10, 20. Okay. Next the question is Bhamra. Okay, Bhamra. Now let's see where is Bhamra in this topographical map. Let's see where is Bhamra. Okay, see your Bhamra is here. So Bhamra comes in between 04 and 05. So your first easting number is, I guess you all got the answer, 04. Okay, then your northing comes 20 and 21, in between 20 and 21. So which one we will take? The first number. Remember, we always take the first number. So that will be 0420. Got it? So the 4-figure grid of Bhamra is 0420. Now, see children, sometimes they will not just give you a village. They might give you some other features. Okay, so for that also I'll give you a few more examples so that the concept will be clear to you all. Okay children, sometimes what happens is they will not just give you the village. They might give you some other features. Like see in this question, you can see, give the 4-figure grid reference of a settlement with spot height 261. So you have to give a reference of settlement with the spot height 261. Another one is the post office. So what you have to do here, you have to find out the spot height where this 261 is. Okay, another one is where this post office is. So first we will do the spot height. So let's check where is the spot height 261. Here, spot height 261. So the spot height comes in the eastings of which spot? First eastings in between 11 and 12. So which one we will take? The first number 11. Okay, so first we will take that 11. Then let's see. Then it comes under the northings in between 07 and 08. So which one will be right? The first number 07. Okay, so the answer will be 1107. Okay, now let's do the post office. Now let's see where is the post office. Okay, so if you have watched my previous video, I've already talked about the conventional signs. Okay, so post office, it will be PO. Let's find PO. Yeah, here it's clearly written here. PO. Okay, so PO comes in between your easting line 10 and 11. 10 and 11. So which one will be your answer? The first one, 10. That is 10. Then it comes between 0304. 0304. So what will be your answer? 03. So the 4-figure grid of the settlement with the post office is 1003. Okay. I'll give you a few more examples. Give the 4-figure grid reference of each of the following. Okay. The confluence of the Sippu River and the Mahadeviyo Nala. See? So now you have to find out the confluence of these two rivers. Okay, the Sippu River and Mahadeviyo Nala. So first find out the confluence means what? Where the two river joins, isn't it? So here, if you look at this is your Sippu River. Okay, and this is your Mahadeviyo Nala. So these two rivers joining here, isn't it? They are meeting out here. This is the confluence. So this we have to find the grid reference. So this comes under which grid? This comes in between 81 and 82. Eastings. Okay, remember Eastings 81, 82. So the answer will be first 81. Then let's see the Northings. It comes in between 89 and 90. So what will be the answer? 89. So the confluence of the Sipur river is and Mahadevi Nala 4-figure grid is 8189. Okay children, it's simple. Then the sheet rock. Now sheet rock. Let's see, where is sheet rock here? Here. See there? The rocks. Of course it will be at the banks there. Here it's written sheet rock. So sheet rocks are here. So this means it's between 80 and 81. So the answer will be 80, and it's between 88 and 89. 88 and 89. So the first one 88. So the 4-figure is 8088. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you all. Always remember your 4-figure grid. You have to use your eastings first, then the northings. So 4-figure means you will get the 4 numbers. So always remember to take the vertical lines first, and that also the first number. Okay. Then comes your horizontal number. So all the best. See you in the next class. If this video is helpful to you, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that everyone can be benefited. Thank you and take care. Bye-bye.